quite a lot of people have been asking questions like, how can I deposit on Huobi? How can I withdraw my funds out of Huobi platform? Okay, so this tutorial is going to be focused on how you can deposit your funds and how you can also withdraw your funds out of the Huobi Global exchange. Okay, so you're welcome to the Crypto Niche channel, and before we move on to this, I want you to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so we are moving from 700 to 1,000 subscribers very soon, and I want you to be a part of this. So let's go to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 subscribers, and turn on your notification button so that when I drop subsequent updates, subsequent tutorials, you are not going to miss out of it. So there are a lot and lot of videos here that can help you get started in crypto space, that can help you jumpstart your career in the crypto space. If probably you're looking for how to get a crypto job, how to make passive income in the crypto space, how to make active income in the crypto space, and lot of valuable content like that. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button. Also try and invite your friends to the channel. Okay, so going back to this now, if you don't have your Huobi Global account before now, I'm going to drop a link down below so you can sign up, using an authentic link to the platform. All right. So you need two things to actually withdraw out of the platform. But the one thing that you need is you need a MetaMask wallet. Okay. So that is quite important. It may not actually be a MetaMask wallet. If you are using a mobile phone, you can use a Trust wallet. Okay. So any wallet that is a private wallet is, it's fine. Maybe Trust wallet, Maeta wallet, it could be Token, and the rest of them. Okay, so you can use those ones. You guys need to actually, clap for me for acquiring a new kind of microphone so that you guys can hear me loud and clear. There won't be any breakout whatsoever. So now, once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Okay, if you're on mobile app, it will look also similar to this. So you're going to come here and click on exchange overview if you want. Okay, but it's better to go to your exchange account directly and have access to the deposit and withdrawal feature. So we're going to wait for this to load. The network is a bit slow this morning. Okay, so once this is fully loaded, then you have access to this information. So if you want to deposit, you have to click here. Okay, so let me try and make a deposit now so that you guys can see how it is being done. So I've already configured my MetaMask for Huobi, so I'm going to come here and switch to Echo Chain. Okay, from Ethereum to Echo Chain. So if you want to know how to configure this, I think there's a full tutorial about it here on how to do it. Also, I'll upload the video about it also. Okay, so in the channel. So now all you have to do now is I'm going to leave this link, also in the description. So all you have to do now from here is to come and click on Echo Chain. So of course, if you want to deposit from Ethereum blockchain, it's also good. Algo, Tron, and Sol, Omnium, and the rest of them, that is fine. But for this tutorial, I want to use Echo Chain. Okay. So now let's say that I want to deposit HT. Okay. I want to deposit HT. I'll come here and type HT. That's the name of Huobi token. Okay. So now I'll come here. Okay, the minimum I can deposit is 0.5, so I'm aware of that. Okay, so I'm going to come here and click on Huobi Echo Chain. I understand this. Okay, fine. Confirm it. So I'm going to click on Huobi Echo Chain and click on this address. Okay, so the address is the same for Huobi Echo Chain and ERC20. Okay, it's still the same thing. But be mindful of the network that you are using so that you don't make a silly mistake. So I'm going to come here and click on send. Now I will paste the address. So after pasting the address, I'll just type 0. Let me say 55 because the minimum is 0.5. Okay, so I'll click on next. So as you can see from here, I'll click on confirm to confirm that transaction. So the transaction will be to go through on the blockchain very soon. So I'm going to pause this video now. Then I will resume once the money is sent out of my wallet. So as you can see now, the transaction is confirmed for the blockchain. And let me click on this so that I can have access to more information about that transaction. Okay, so let me view on Block Explorer. That is the Echo Chain Explorer. So you will see if it has been confirmed or not. Okay, search not found. I think they are still, probably is not confirmed yet. So let me just come here and click on my ID. Let me copy my ID, transaction ID. I'm going to paste it here. Let me come here. I'm going to paste it here on the Explorer. Okay, so I will paste it on the Explorer. This is the Explorer, and I'll click on search. Okay, so the transaction has been confirmed. It's success. Okay, so now I'll come here. Let me move this to this point. I'll come here, and there's going to be a notification possibly. Okay, I'm not notified yet. System notification. Okay, not yet. So, but the thing is just that when you come here and check the balance, and I'm gonna come here and check the history, deposit history. So when you check deposit history, then you find your money there. Okay, can you see it? This is what you sent. Okay, so that is how to deposit on the Huobi Global. Okay, so let's go back also and make withdrawal from this platform. Okay, from this platform. So I'll also go back and probably let me make a withdrawal. Let me use a BTC. Okay, let me try and withdraw BTC. So I'm going to withdraw this now. I'll click on withdraw. So I want to withdraw this BTC to the Echo chain. So I'm going to confirm this. We brought in HT. Now we want to move out BTC. Okay. So then I want to move everything. Okay, everything. So this is the fee that I'm going to incur. So it is very minimal if you pay attention to this. So I'm going to move everything. So this is what I'm going to receive. What is happening right now? Okay, BTC. How about the BTC network? It will go through. I'm using the BTC network. I think we're having an issue with the withdrawal function right now. I don't know. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to come here, click on Echo. Okay, then click all. Then the next thing is just to come here and copy the address from here, because this is the address that I want to withdraw to, this particular address. So I came in address. So it's one of the addresses I use on this blockchain. So now I'm going to come here, paste the address here. After pressing the address, and I've selected my network to be Echo, then I want to withdraw all these BTC, to this wallet. So I'm going to click on withdraw. So it will pop out something, maybe like all this confirmation stuff. Okay, then to ask me for information about my email. So I will send this to email. So I'm going to pause this video now and insert all of these details. So I insert my Google authentication code and also email. So after inputting all of these things, next step is just to click on confirm. So when I click on confirm, then the next thing is that they are going to send this fund to the wallet address that I have provided. So they said, why am I withdrawing my assets? The product is difficult to use, fees are too high. Okay, yeah, exactly. This is exactly the reason why I'm good. So let me choose this. Then they will process that transaction. Once the admin approves it, then it will go through. Okay, it will go through. So the next thing that I want to do now is to check that transaction on the blockchain. Okay, so how do you go about that? Let's go to the deposit history. Deposit history. Let's see if it has been added. Okay, this is the BTC withdrawal. Okay, so the deposits history. So the withdrawal history rather. Let me go to withdrawal history. This is the withdrawal history. So it says processing. Okay, so we have to wait a little bit for that. So once this processed, then you have a transaction ID that you can use to check out that transaction on the Huobi blockchain. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video now while this is processed. So after refreshing this page now, you can see that the withdrawal request has been processed, right? So the next thing you want to see now is to come here and copy your transaction ID. Then come to the blockchain also, then paste your transaction ID and search for it. So once you search for it, the next thing you're going to see is that the transaction has been processed on the blockchain. Okay, so success is here. So the next thing you want to do now is to type BTC contracts. Okay, let me just click on this. So you want to copy the contract address direct from the blockchain. Okay, you don't have to search for this because you can actually be searching for the wrong thing. So next is to come here and add, because you can see that. Let me refresh this. Refresh this. So from here you can see that here you can, when you look at the list of assets, there is no how you will find BTC there, right? So the best way to go about this is to add, is to come here, import tokens. Okay, then the address that I've already copied, just paste it here. Okay, then to show you everything that you need to know here. So the import tokens. Fine. So I'm going to go back to this point now. So you can see that BTC is here. So if I come here and check activities, the one I see now is here. Then you can see that the BTCs has added to the amount of bits that I have here already. So that is really how to make deposit and withdrawal as far as Huobi Global Exchange is concerned. And what is applicable to Huobi is also applicable to every other exchanges. So they work in similar ways. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like this video. Okay. So they like it if you like it. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification button, and also share with your friends. Okay, you can make a comment down below if you have any question regarding what I've taught you so far in this tutorial. Okay, so in the next tutorial I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell on Huobi Global Exchange also in the next tutorial. Okay, so see you guys for now. Okay, bye.